Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete all liked videos on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Click on the profile option in the bottom right corner. TikTok has not brought up a solution to delete all of your liked videos yet. However, there is one way you can do it. In order to do so, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down your screen and click on Report a Problem option. Here you can see follow/like/comment/favorites option. Click on it. Then click on the likes option. Scroll down your screen and click on Other option. Now click on Need More Help option. Here you'll have to type in your problem. You'll have to make sure that you have included your problem in detail. After that, tap on Submit button. And that is how you can delete all liked videos on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.